पहला वर्ड है फ्लूक। फ्लूक मतलब होता है अनलाइकली चांस, ओकरेंस, स्पेशली ए सरप्राइजिंग पीस ऑफ लक। फ्लूक मतलब क्या था? अनलाइकली चांस। फ्लूक मतलब होता है अनलाइकली चांस, ओकरेंस, स्पेशली ए सरप्राइजिंग पीस ऑफ लक। अगला फॉब, द स्मॉल चेन attached to a watch. Foliate, relating to or resembling leaves. Footnote, an ancillary piece of information printed at the bottom of a page. Foregone, having gone before previous. Foreman, a male superior of work. Forerunner, a person or thing that precedes the coming or development of someone or something else. Fossils, remain of prehistoric animals or plants preserved by being buried in earth. Frantic, hurried, excited and unorganized. Fratricide, the murder or murder of one's brother. Fraud, act of deceiving somebody in order to make money. Freak, unusual or abnormal. Freelancer, self-employed and open to be hired by different company. Frothy, be full of or covered with a mass of small bubbles. Fugitive, one who runs away from justice or the law. Funambulist, one who walks on ropes. Furrier, one who deals in fur. Fusillade, a series of shots fired or missiles thrown all at the same time or in quick succession. Futuristic, one who can predict future. Gallant, full of bravery. Garrison, a group of soldiers living in a town or a fort and defending it. Geek, an unfashionable or socially inept person. Geriatric, relating to old person. Germicide, a medicine that kills germ. Germination, the development of a plant from a seed. Gesture, a movement of part of the body to express an idea or feeling. Geyser, a hot spring in which water intermittently boils, pushing a tall column of water and a steam into the air. Giddy, having a sensation of whirling and a tendency to fall or strain. Gilly, a man or boy who attends someone on a hunting or fishing expedition. Gimbal, a mechanism typically consisting of rings pivoted at right angle for keeping an instrument such as a compass or chronometer horizontally in moving vessel or aircraft. Gimcrack, flimsy or poorly made but deceptively attractive. Gimmick, a trick or deceive intended to attract attention publicly or business. Gladiator, one who fights with another person or animal. Glaive, fluent and easy, often in an insurance or deceptive one. Glutton, one who eats too much. like goose, a silly person, like gory, involving or showing violence and bloodshed, like gourmand, one who likes eating a lot, like gourmet, one who likes or know about good food, like gracious, courteous, kind and unpleasant, like graft, a piece of living tissue that is transplanted surgically, like granary, storehouse for threshold grain, like gratis, without payment, like gratuity, sum of money paid to an employee on retirement, like grave, burial for the dead, serious or solemn in appearance, like gregarious, of animal which live in flocks या herd, like gross, very rude or coarse या vulgar, like gullible, one who is easily deceived. वीडियो अच्छा लगा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब